Buddies, good morning. Today I would like to make a whole view of a block factory here. Now what you are seeing is and here you see now is a hollow blocks. It can produce 4 blocks at one go, and here is the pivots, and this kind of shape is called Holland paving bricks. So this boss made plenty of the pivots and for storage. And you see these blocks, if you pay more attention on the block design, you can see they produce 4 blocks at one go, but it produced 3 same blocks with 3 holes, and another one is with 2 holes, so they are different blocks. Normally we can design the block mode as your requirements to combine the different block design into one mode. That is what you see now. You see, there are 3 blocks with 3 holes and 1 block with 2 holes. That is what we design. Here I would like to try to pick some pivots to knock it, and you can feel how strong it is. But if you use a lot of powers to knock it like this, you see, it's also will be damaged. But what I think is these pivots, if you curing the pivots more days, the PSI of the pivots will be more higher compared with now. And now I will show you the material storage area. What you see now is we call it a fly ash, but it's not pure fly ash. It's a kind of fly ash with some stone dust. The dust. The dust will be very collected, and nicked will be together very well. And here is the stones, like the aggregates stones. This one is dust. This one stones, right? The stones. This kind of a material is very good for forming the blocks. And over there is the sand. The sand is a normal sand, like you can get it from the river, you can get it from sea. It's normal soft sand. And here, what you see now is the big size stones. If you would like to produce solid, very solid quality of the blocks, you need to feed some quantity of this kind of stones with a little big size. It will be support the blocks quality to be more better. The cement, and you see this hopper is attached with the concrete mixer will be sank down inside of the ground, which is digged already by the workers. This one, the model of the mixer is a GS 500 concrete mixer. So the hopper will be hold the sand and cement stone dust together and lift up those material up to the concrete mixer for mixing. This one is the batching plant, batching machine. This conveyor will be transfer the mixing the material up to the block machine, as in the blocks will be produced blocks. Here, what I'm going to show you is the pellet feeder machine. Normally, you don't. It's not necessary for the block builders to get this kind of a machine to just feed the pellets onto the machine, onto the block machine. But if you want, if you have already get big size, the fully automatic block machine, and you know, as you know, the pellet weight is very heavy. Is heavy. So in order to save the laborers to carry the pellets one by one onto the the pellet box, that would be better for you to get a pellet feeder machine like what you see now. This machine can feed the pellets one by one, mechanically, not by manual. You see, they will be transfer the pellets one by one into the pellet box. Here you see now is the batching plant. It's batching machine. After batching, because they scale the correct quantity of the stones, sand, and the stone dust. The conveyor belt will transfer different material. From the hopper of the batching machine inside this mixed hopper. But here, you feed in the cement by manually like this. But it's also easy to feed in the cement like this one, where you use a knife to open. Yeah. Here we are going is the block curing area, the 4-story the finished blocks. For myself, I think this block maker, this boss, this owner of the block factory is very, how to say, the pre-expected. He worried in the future, the cost of the material, like the sand, like the stones, or the aggregates, or stone dust, fly ash will be increased. The price will be increased. So he prepared those material in advance and produce blocks and storing the blocks here. And in the future, if the block buyers come to your factory, you can sell those blocks. Of course, after many days, maybe 1 month, 2 months, or half a year, the curing, the cement blocks, the concrete blocks, will get very strong after long time curing. But with the sunshine, with the water every day. So my friend, please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and switch on the bell, so that you can receive the new video once I update the new video. So next video, I will try to make a subject video about how to prepare the material, how to get the correct ratio of the material, how much percentage of the stone dust, how much percentage of the sand you should put inside the material. So remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.